Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying Chrome is updated and that you're signed into the correct Google profile because the extension links to that browser identity. Once done, open the Chrome Web Store, search the Chatgpt extension, and click Install. Allow the requested permissions. Make sure to sign into your OpenAI account immediately after installation so the extension can authenticate. This step connects your prompts and saves settings. If you manage multiple accounts, pick the one you want to use for history and billing. Now configure the extension. Open its settings and set preferred model, response length, and keyboard shortcuts so you can trigger it fast. Next, practice using the pop-up for full chats and the right-click quick prompt to send selected text. These are different workflows for different tasks. If you want speaking responses, enable voice output. If you reuse answers, enable clipboard autocopy. Make sure to test prompts and adjust temperature or system instructions to tune tone and accuracy for your needs. Finish by saving any custom prompts and confirming sync to your OpenAI account so your shortcuts and templates persist across devices. If the extension becomes unresponsive, restart Chrome first. This often clears temporary glitches. Make sure permissions weren't revoked and clear browser cache if features misbehave. If problems persist, update or reinstall the extension to fix corrupt files. One key troubleshooting tip: disable other extensions temporarily to spot conflicts, because ad blockers or privacy tools commonly interrupt extension communication.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.